Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to make the 7-segment display control using serial monitor. So the components required: an Arduino Uno board, a 7-segment display, some connecting wires and the breadboard. And now let us do the connections. So this is a 7-segment display. It has 7 segments here and each segment is attached to this particular pins. So when we give power supply to these pins, the particular segment turns on. And this is a common cathode 7-segment display. So here the common pin needs to be connected to the negative and the other pins needs to be connected to the positive voltage supply. So here this middle pin and this middle pin is a common pin and we have to connect any one of them to the ground, and the other pins will be connected to the Arduino pins. So like this is segment A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So as a whole, if this is segment A and this is pin A, then pin B, this is C, D, and so on. So we will learn about the pins during the connections. Now let us place the 7-segment display on the breadboard. We will place the 7-segment display on the middle of the breadboard. And now we will do the connections with the Arduino board. So we will connect pin A to 2 of the Arduino, then pin B to 3 of the Arduino, pin C to 4 of the Arduino, pin D to pin 5 of the Arduino, pin E to pin 6, pin F to pin 7, and pin G to pin 8. So this is done. Now we will take a 1 kilo ohm resistor and connect it to the common ground. And connect the other terminal of the resistor to the ground pin of the Arduino. So this is done. Our connection is done. Now we will upload the code. Here, first of all, we have declared variables for all the pins of the 7-segment display, like int A, which is an integer data type variable, we have assigned it for pin 2. Similarly, int B for pin 3, int C for pin 4, and so on. Then inside the void setup, we have used the pin mode function to declare all the pins as output, and also we have initialized the serial communication with the baud rate of 9600. Then inside the void loop, we have given if serial.available to check whether any data is being typed in the serial monitor or not, and whatever data is typed, that is stored in the variable x, which is of character data type. So here we have written character x equal to serial.read, then serial.println x to display the character in the serial monitor. Now next we have written if x is equal to 0, means we are comparing x with 0, then all the segments of the 7-segment display will be on except 0. So this will display the character 0 on the 7-segment display. Similarly, if the data given is 1, then only segment B and C will be high and remaining all segments will be 0, and thus 1 will be displayed on the 7-segment display. Like this, we have given the coding for all the digits up to 9, so that we can display all the digital numbers from 0 to 9 in the 7 segment display. So this is all about the code. Once the code is completed, you click on Tools, select the board as Arduino Uno, select the port as Arduino COM5, Arduino Uno. It's COM5 for me, for the COM number will be different. So once you have selected, you click on Upload. Your code will be uploaded to your Arduino board. We will show you the output. So suppose in the serial monitor, if I press 8, you are pressing 8, and then in the 7 segment display you can see 8 is being displayed. And then if I press 5 is being displayed in the 7 segment display. If I press 0, then 0 is being displayed in the 7 segment display. So this is the output. Thank you.